Hello friends, and welcome back to Everyday Cooking with Mum and me. Today we are going to be making Sooji Halwa, Sheera or Semolina pudding. Sooji Halwa, Parshad or Sheera is the sweet most often offered to gods during festivals. It is made with simple ingredients available in every home. It is not just limited to offerings to gods. It makes an excellent dessert. This is very easy and a delicious dish to make. This delicious dessert is prepared in all over India and has many different names too, like Sooji Halwa, Sheera and many more. This Suji Halwa is offered to goddess for Ashtami or Navratri. So let's get started. Today we will need 250 grams of semolina, 150 grams of sugar, 50 grams of grounded almonds and cashews, 1 teaspoon of cardamom powder, 4 to 5 tablespoons of ghee, and half a litre of milk. Then we're going to take a heated pan and add in our 4 to 5 tablespoons of ghee, along with our 250 grams of semolina. Then we're just going to roast this on a low flame until it turns to a nice golden brown colour. It's been around 10 minutes and now, as you can see, we've got a nice and golden brown colour. We're going to add in our cardamom powder, and sugar, then we're going to mix it until our sugar has dissolved. So now you can see that all of our sugar has dissolved. We're going to add in our milk, so we've added in half a litre of milk. Then we're just going to mix everything well until all the milk has been absorbed, which is going to soften our semolina as well. Our flame is on medium. As you can see, all the milk has been absorbed. Now we're going to add in our crushed dry fruit, mix it well, and then it's time for plating. If you like this video, then please don't forget to drop a like, leave a comment, share with friends and family, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more amazing videos. Bye for now. Thanks for watching. Happy cooking!